Hello people, the topic which we are going to cover today, that is percentage. Let's understand what the name suggests. Percentage. Centage means 100. Okay, which is nothing means the denominator is always 100. Like 1 by 100. Let's understand the basic concepts with some basic example. First, what is 20%? That is nothing but 20 by 100. Whatever given in the question, just write down this one in the numerator and the denominator is always 100. Okay. So the answer which we get, that is nothing but 1 by 5. Now, what if we got the question like that? 5 is what percentage of 50? Okay. 5 is what percent of 50? That is also very simple. Just what we have to do, 5 is what percentage of 50? Write down the number which is given in the numerator and the second number in the denominator and multiply it with 100. 5 is what percentage of 100? Sorry, here 50. 5 is what percentage of 50? So 5 by 50 into 100. Just solve this. We get 10. Okay. So 5 is 10% of 50. Now let's understand the another concept of percentage, that is nothing but conversion of percentage into fraction and conversion of fraction into percentage. That is vice versa. Okay. So let's take an example and try to understand. Whenever we need to convert the percentage into fraction, what we do, we just divide it by 100. Okay. And whenever we need to convert fraction into percentage, what we do, we just multiply the given number by 100. Okay. Now try to understand. What is the fraction of 20%? What is the fraction of 20%? So what we do, just write down the percentage, whatever given. Here 20 is given, so just write, we written 20 and we need to convert it into fraction. Okay. So we just divide it by 100. So what we get, that is 1 by 5. Fraction of 20% is nothing but 1 by 5. Now, conversion of 1 by 5 into percentage. Okay. Now we need to convert the fraction part into percentage. So for this, what we need to do, we just need to multiply it by 100. Whatever number you were given in the question, you just need to do, just multiply the given fraction from 100. Now write down the number, that is 1 by 5, fraction part, and multiply it by 100. So you will get the result in percentage. That is 20%. So fraction 1 by 5 in percentage is nothing but 20%. We just taken the same number and we shown the result in vice versa. Okay. I think now it is clear. Now move toward the next concept. Our next part is that you should memorize from 1 to 1 to 1 to 100 all the fractions value in percentage. Okay. So 1 by 1 is nothing but 100%. 1 by 2 is 50%. 1 by 3 is 33.33%. 1 by 4 is 25%. 1 by 5 is 20%. 1 by 6 is 16.66% and so on. Okay. So where this is useful, let's understand where this is useful. Always we came across with the questions like this. So if we didn't know the value directly of these fractions, then what we do, we calculate it with the general method, that is nothing but what is 16.66% of 180? That is 16.66 into 180 divided by 100. So it's a quite lengthy process for any competitive exams basically. Okay. And when we solve this, we got our answer, but it will take time. So the best way is to solve it is nothing but just memorize the value. 16.66. So the fraction part of 16.66 is 1 by 6. So directly just write down 1 by 6 and multiply it with 180. So 30. What is 16.66% of 180? That is 30. Let's take another example. What is 14.28% of 350? Okay. So 14.28. The fraction part of 14.28 is 1 by 7. Directly write down 1 by 7 and multiply it with the given number, that is 350. So the answer is 50. Okay. So if you memorize all these values, it will save you lots of time to solve these kind of problem. Now understand about the percentage. Always we came across these type of questions that X is what percentage of Y. So whenever we came across these type of questions, what we need to do is just X is what percentage of Y. Write down this X here and the Y in the denominator and multiply it with 100. X is what percentage of Y. So X by Y into 100. Okay. Let's understand it with some example. 50 is what percentage of 100? Okay. Now try to understand. What we need to do is just 50 is what percentage of 100. Just write down this 50 here. These 100 in denominator and multiply with the 100 always. Okay. So what the value we get? That is nothing but 50. 50 is what percentage of 100? So 50 is 50% of 100. Okay. 50 is 50% of 100. That is our answer. Now move toward the most important topic, that is increasing and decreasing concept in percentage. Now let's understand this concept. Whenever some value is increased by certain percent, okay, that is X is increased by any certain percent, okay, any percent. Let's take example 50%. X is increased by 50%. So the simplest way to solve this one is just if you memorize the fraction part of 50%, that is nothing but 1 by 2. What we need to do? Just write down 1 here and add these fraction, that is of 50, in this 1 by 2 and write this value, that is here X here, and we will get that is 3 by 2 of X. It's very simple. Okay, let's understand this with some example. X is equals to 200 and it is increased by 20%. What is the new value of X? Okay, the old value of X is nothing but 200. X is equals to 200 and it is increased by 20%. Increased by 20%. So if you memorize the value of that is the fractional value of 20%, then it's good. That is nothing but 1 by 5. Fraction value of 20% is 1 by 5. So X is equals to 200 and it is increased by 20%. What is the new value of X? X is equals to 200. It is increased by 20%. So when it is increased, what is the new value of that X? We need to find this one. Okay. So what we need to do is just write 1 here and add these fraction part in this. Okay. So what we get? 6 by 5. And write down these value, the value of X, multiply this one. Okay. And we get the new value, that is 240. The new value of X is nothing but 240. That is the simplest way to solving these kind of problem, which we always see in any competitive exams especially. So when we used to solve it with the particular method, certain general method, then it will take quite time. If you need the video on the general method of solving these kind of problem, please do comment in the comment section. I will make sure to make videos on these topic also. So now understand another concept, that is X is decreased by certain percent. Here X is increased by certain percent. and here x is decreased by certain percent. It is completely same, okay, but here what we need to do, here in increasing we are adding, okay, in decreasing we need to subtract, okay. That is, let's take the same example, 50%. So the fraction part of 50 is nothing but 1 by 2. What we need to do, just write down 1 here. Here what we are doing, we are adding the fraction part in 1. Here what we will do, we will subtract the fraction part, okay, and just multiply it with the value of x. What we get, 1 by 2 of x. Now understand it with the example. X is equals to 200 and it is decreased by 20%. What is the new value of x? Here the value of x is again 200 and it is decreased by 20%. So the fraction part of 20% is nothing but 1 by 5. Now we need to find the new value of x after decreasing 20%. The old value is 200 and when the 20% is decreased in this, what is the new value of these x, okay? What we need to do, we just need to write 1 here, subtract these fraction part from this one and multiply the value from the value of x. What we get? 5 minus 1, that is 4 by 5 into 200. 40 and 4 into 4, that is 16. So 160. The new value is nothing but 160. Okay. Now I think it is very clear to you all guys. In today's video, we discussed about the basic of percentage. And I hope it will clear to you all. In next video, we will solve more and more problem on the topic percentage. So guys, if you like my video, please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. See you next time.